Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, January 20th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, so today is the inauguration. So President-elect Trump will become President Trump. That will happen around noontime today. So all eyes will be on that. But it is also options expiration here in the market. So again, we could get some volatility in the first hour of the trading session. So let's look for that and we'll see how it plays out. All in all, we do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher today by 5.5 points to 22.67 per contract. Markets have been choppy this week, but for the most part, they've been basically flat. So we would expect an upside bias going into the weekend today after the inauguration. Let's see how it plays out. But in the meantime, we have earnings season upon us, and we have lots of stocks in the news today. We're going to start the day off with IBM. As you can see here, IBM right now trading at 165.01. The stock closed at 166.81 yesterday. So it did sell off briefly, and now it's come back to basically the flat area. You can see after the closing bell yesterday, IBM did spike to 173. The only level that gets me interested in a stock today would be around 161.30. 161 and a quarter, somewhere around there. If it gets down there, yeah, I might look to play it on the scalp side, on the long side. So again, we'll look at it if it gets down there. Until then, I'm not really looking to do anything with IBM until we get a more definitive pattern. And again, we will be looking at this stock throughout the entire trading day in the intraday stock chat room. So if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a good 2017 so far. Good day yesterday. I'm going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the month. Next up, we have American Express. Ticker symbol is AXP. What you're going to see here is the stock is trading at 75 and a quarter right now. Closed at $76.69. So this is a little down ticking. Now, if AXP gets to around $72, I think that's a play there on the long side for a scalp. I also like the 70.50 level, so keep $70.50 on the radar today if it gets down there. I don't know if we'll see that, but we very well could. So two levels, $72 first level, $70.50 is the second level for AXP. Let's take a look here at the next one on our radar. It's going to be Skyworks Solutions, SWKS. This stock is making a pretty nice move to the upside. Closed at $78.46. Now trading at $84.20. I like the pop here. Might have more upside to go. I'm going to have gap levels for this one posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock. So again, if you want these gap levels, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll get all of our gap plays each and every day. Next one up is going to be Bristol Myers, BMY. Stock is trading sharply lower today. Closed at $55.49. It is now trading at $51.31. Looks like they did have some news where they're not going to pursue some endpoint with one of their lung cancer drugs. Stock is trading off. I still like the $49.50 level for Bristol Myers if it gets there today. Next up, we're going to take a look at General Electric, GE. And this stock is trading down. I just did a video on GE not too long ago saying how I would like to see this stock get down to around the $29 level, and sure enough, we are at $30.76. So that level is going to stand. Stock gets down to around 29 and a quarter. That's where you can be a buyer of General Electric for the upside for a day trade. Next up, we're going to take a look at KSU, Kansas City Southern. And what you're going to see here is the stock closed yesterday at $84.50. Still trading at $84.50. No pre-market action. But this will be in play today. So again, keep an eye on this one. This will be in play today. We'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we have Procter & Gamble. Ticker symbol is PG. This stock has been really a laggard as of late, but catching a really good bid this morning. Stock closed at $84.70, now trading at $87 a share. I do think it's overbought up here at these levels, so I don't really see this going much further today. But good move so far. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone. We'll look at it again Once the opening bell rings, we'll see what kind of intraday patterns form on the charts. Next up, we have Regions Financial. This could be in play today. It's not really doing much ahead of the opening bell, but they did report earnings. Again, I think it's a little bit overbought, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings today. We'll look for patterns there. Schlumberger, SLB. This is an energy play. Stock right now is trading at 86.90, closed at 87.20, so it's a slight downtick. If Schlumberger by some chance got to around 82.40, 82.50, I like it there. Until then, not really much. There's not really much I'm looking to do with it at this point in time. So keep it on the radar. We'll look at it again once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Now we have Herbalife, HLF. Looks like they came out with some news. I think it was guidance. Stock right now is trading at $51, closed at $53.14. I don't really see anything really that good here for Herbalife. If it gets down to around the 47.75 level, there could be some short-term support, maybe for a quick scalp, but that's the best I have for Herbalife right now at this point in time. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go to the gold market. Gold is trading up $1, $1,202.70 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that is trading at 114.61. Next up, we have crude oil. That is trading up 82 cents to $52.94 a barrel. If you trade the USO, which is a good oil ETF, that is trading at 11.34, up from the close of $11.17. Last but not least, we have the US dollar index trickling up just a little bit today, up around 14 cents. We're not going to make too much out of it. We'll see how this market plays out and settles in. Again, today is the Trump inauguration, so again, we'll see exactly what the market has in store for us, and it is also an options expiration trading week, and we have lots of earnings out here, so we should expect some good volatility at least till 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, people will start gearing up to watch the inauguration. Things should slow down into the remainder of the trading day. So again, should have a good 90 minutes of good action, and we'll see how it plays out. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session. Once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We're off to a banner 2017 start. I'm going to look to keep that going really throughout the rest of the year. With that being said, we will see you on the charts.